Management is a
AVS
familiar
Media
one in
Demo.
most businesses today. Kurt Lewin's Unfreeze, Change, Freeze model is one of the top change management models. It's easy to understand and focuses
AVS
in
Media
process.
Demo.
Kurt Lewin immigrated from Germany to America during the 1930s and is recognized as the founder of social psychology.
AVS
The first
Media
stage
Demo.
involves preparing the organization to accept that change is necessary, which involves break down the existing status quo before building up a new way of operating.
AVS Media
To prepare the
Demo.
organization successfully, beliefs, values, and behaviors that currently define it need to be challenged. The change stage is where people begin to look for new ways
AVS
to do
Media
things.
Demo.
People start to believe and act in ways that support the new direction, and it takes time. In order to accept the change and contribute to making the
AVS
change
Media
successful,
Demo.
people need to understand how the change will benefit them. Time and communication are two key to success for
AVS
the change
Media
to occur.
Demo.
When the changes are taking shape and people have new ways of working, the organization is ready to refreeze. The refreeze
AVS
stage has to
Media
make sure
Demo.
that the changes are incorporated into everyday business. With a new sense of stability, employees feel confident with the new ways of working.
AVS Media Demo. AVS Media Demo.
Lewin's change model can be seen clearly in Continental Airlines, a solution from the worst performing airline to Airline of the Year. Have a rocky history started in the
AVS
80s
Media Demo.
when they failed to bankruptcy and mistaken over by Texas Aircraft. After several mergers, that increased aircraft inventory in routes
AVS
where
Media
continued to fail,
Demo.
Continental fell again for bankruptcy. In 1919, when Beatum took over the company in 1994, he immediately
AVS
began
Media
the
Demo.
freeze process and had to break the failing system while maintaining order. He transitioned the company's focus from
AVS
cross
Media
savings to
Demo.
putting on a quality product to based on the customer standards. During the transition phase, Beatum offered reward for company improvements.
AVS Media
If Continental
Demo.
was in the top 5 airlines, staff will receive $65. If not known, receive the bonus. This brought
AVS Media
cohesiveness to the
Demo.
company, and they succeed together or fail together. Beatum strongly believes in keeping communication lines open with all employees,
AVS Media
and he
Demo.
remained open and honest regarding every aspect, which continued to build the cohesiveness from the staff. The effects of
AVS
this change
Media
are still
Demo.
seen today. Once that change and staff settled, Beatum was able to refresh the organization, making the changes permanent and successful.
AVS Media Demo.
Continental continues focusing on the customer need, and today shows Beatum successful implementation for organizational change.
AVS
The
Media
process
Demo.
change made with this model was to determine what needs to change.
AVS
Ensure
Media
there is
Demo.
strong support from upper management. Using stakeholder analysis and stakeholder management to identify and
AVS
win the
Media
support
Demo.
of key people. Create the need for a change. Manage and understand the doubts and concerns. The
AVS
benefits
Media
of this
Demo.
model is that we can communicate often, dispel rumors, empower action, and involve people in the process.
AVS Media Demo.
Why it's important for a company to design a plan change. Planning helps an organization chart a curve for the
AVS
achievement of
Media
its
Demo.
goals, and the process begins with reviewing the current operations of the organization and identifying what needs to be improved
AVS
operationally in
Media
the coming
Demo.
year. From there, planning involves envisioning the results the organization wants to achieve and determining the steps necessary to
AVS
arrive at
Media
the
Demo.
intended destination, success. Whether that is measured in financial terms or goals that include being the highest rate organization in
AVS
customer
Media
satisfaction.
Demo.
What are the characteristics of a planned change process for achieving successful organizational development? The
AVS
success
Media
factors
Demo.
of an organization like people, task, structure, and technology are highly open and flexible in approach. Organization demands change to be inculcated
AVS
in every
Media
step
Demo.
and dimensions so that a unique image and market leadership leading to organization success and growth can be achieved. Management decisions are more often confined to the
AVS
boardrooms
Media
of
Demo.
CEO or chairman. Development is a subjective idea, but is the ultimate objective of an organization. Organizations first need to prepare all such
AVS
factors for accepting
Media
changes and then implement the same. Our organizational development is a planned strategy which aims towards development of individuals and groups in an
AVS Media
organization and
Demo.
solving problems which directly or indirectly have an impact on organizational growth.
How does leadership influence an organizational
AVS
development
Media
project?
Demo.
Well, it has many advantages, like create strategic visions with an emphasis on future, make evidence-based
AVS Media
decisions,
Demo.
leverage current leadership competencies, and manage future leadership development.
AVS
Integrate
Media
project
Demo.
management logistical needs and lead change initiative efforts in an organization.
What
AVS
profile
Media Demo.
should an organizational development consultant have? An organizational development consultant begins with a business problem that needs to be solved or a challenge that needs to be
AVS
addressed.
Media Demo.
Your organizational development consultant will work with your organization to identify 8 to 12 or more people, typically involving one or more groups, to
AVS
understand the
Media
dimensions of the
Demo.
problem, examine the work and how it is done, benchmark other organizations for new developments and best practices, identify
AVS
creative
Media
ways to
Demo.
do things better, and recommend solutions that help the organization achieve its goals. The role of the organizational development consultant is to help frame up the business
AVS
problem,
Media
advise
Demo.
on the assembly of a diverse team, support the team leader in developing the project plan, advise on tools and methods needed for
AVS
optimum group
Media
performance,
Demo.
design and facilitate meetings or events as needed, coach group members toward optimum performance, and keep the group's work focused on the task at hand.
AVS Media Demo.
Conclusion about importance of organizational development for this company. The organizational
AVS
development
Media
helps
Demo.
to identify which are the most important problems inside the company. Where do they need to focus and start to implementing
AVS Media
in
Demo.
order to solve those problems in the best possible way. Of course, this process requires a big investment
AVS
of money,
Media Demo.
time, and compromise from all the members. But definitely, this is something that will give the company enormous
AVS
benefits
Media
and
Demo.
advantages. What are the most common needs of change experienced by companies?
AVS Media
The
Demo.
acquisition of new companies or business mergers and or strategic alliance. The need of looking
AVS
out
Media
for new
Demo.
investments or into the worst scenes, the need of selling part of the company. Dismissed of staff
AVS Media Demo.
to reduce the operational areas or because of lack of budget. To adapt new process to new members,
AVS Media Demo.
to new bosses and new ways for doing things.